I'm here with Bailey and Kinsley. Our science demonstration is a model of a volcano.
So what is a volcano?
A volcano is a big mountain with a hole on top, and the melted rocks go up through the top, up and escapes through the top.
So what were you going to tell us, Kinsley?
When the volcano erupts.
Speak up.
When the volcano erupts, people that are living close to it, they have to get very far away from it.
Because the hot rock could what? The melted rock could
Burn them.
And so when can they come back?
After the rock has cooled off and
So what's that called when it comes out?
lava.
Okay. All right. Show us your model. Who's doing the first step?
First you put in baking soda.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and put another one in there. Make sure we have enough. Can you make sure? Okay, I think you're not putting a lot on the spoon, so let's do another one. That looks good. All right.
And then we put 10 drops of food coloring.
Okay, what's our next step?
And then we put vinegar in the volcano.
We're going to watch what happens?
Wow. Sit down. Stop, it's hot. No, it's not.
All right. So what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar together? Who's telling us about that?
Stop it, Jack.
Okay. What happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar together?
It fizzes and it makes bubbles.
What kind of bubbles? What's inside those bubbles?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. And is that why it comes out the top, because of those fizzy carbon dioxide bubbles?
Yes.
Okay. Clap for that group.